Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos. Hi guys, welcome back. Vikas will be joining us now anytime because he was there, but I think there was some connection issues out there. Vikas, if you're watching us, send me a hi or hello and I can just join you in. We have got all your questions and we are pretty much excited to ask all of them and see Vikas क्या कहना चाहते हैं आप लोगों से, क्या share करेंगे. Yes, we'll try as many as questions should be answered right now. हम कोशिश यही करेंगे. But let Vikas first join in.
Hi.
Finally.
It took some
How
time.
are you?
I'm good. How are you doing, Vishaka?
I am doing great. I'm meeting up for so long.
Yeah, I think so. I think it's been obviously months we have always been locked on.
Yes.
Yeah.
But how is lockdown? हाँ जी.
आप कुछ बोल रहे हो? Sorry.
मैं कह रही हूँ, how has the lockdown been for you? Is it like a boon or a bane, or you're just bored now being at home?
You know क्या है कि जब स्टार्ट हुआ था लॉकडाउन तो पहला वीक तो थोड़ी सी वो होती है ना, अजीब तरह की एक्साइटमेंट होती है कि अरे कुछ ऐसा एकदम से लाइफ में हो गया कि हमने सोचा नहीं था. एंड देन उसके बाद क्या होता है कि यू स्टार्ट हेटिंग इट. यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग इरिटेटेड. जो आपका दूसरा तीसरा चौथा पांचवा हफ्ता होता है, यू गेट इरिटेटेड बाय इट. It's only after the fifth week you start realizing how good it can be also to you, because you start realizing your priorities, you start realizing your people, और आप पता करते हो, अपने आप को जानते हो, आप समझते हो थोड़ा बहुत, और suddenly things change. But जब ये 3 महीने से ज़्यादा एक्सटेंड हो जाता है तो अगर आप इंटेलिजेंट हो, आपको रियलाइज होता है कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. और अगर आप जिससे मैं कहता हूँ ना कि एक होते इवॉल्व्ड वंस और एक होते नॉन इवॉल्व्ड वंस. द नॉन इवॉल्व्ड वंस विल गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ एनीथिंग एल्स, बट दे वांट टू गो आउट. सो अभी आई फील एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई एम मोर स्कैर्ड कि लॉकडाउन खुल ना जाए गलती से देन एनीथिंग एल्स. सो या
I would agree to what you're saying, because whenever people tell ना कि 4 दिन की बात है, लॉकडाउन खुल जाएगा, हफ्ते में खुल जाएगा, the first fear that I have is that are you guys wearing a mask or are you taking all the precautions, because it's very risky right now. But I agree.
As a matter of fact, अगर मेरा बस चले तो 1 साल तक लॉकडाउन खुलना नहीं चाहिए. Ideally.
I am
because अगर खुलेगा तो वो तो है, because country's economy is also important. We are important. It's important to understand that how country runs and everything else. But ideally, जो कोई भी यहाँ देख रहा है, it is not to instill fear on anyone else. पर ये क्या है ना कि इसमें बॉम्बे की हालत ऐसी है और यही हालत काफी और सिटीज की भी है, और ये उस वक्त हो रहा है जिस समय लॉकडाउन कंटिन्यूड है. एंड उस वक्त क्या होता है कि आई हैव अ फ्रेंड, उसकी बुआ जी गॉट कोविड.
Okay.
And her Buaji's daughter is a doctor. Full day till evening, they have been in ambulance. A doctor could not get a bed for her own mother in Bombay.
What?
Bed for her own mother in Bombay. And I was talking to Sid, and उनको किसी कोई रिलेशन में है उनके जिनकी डेथ हो गई और उनका लास्ट राइट्स के लिए लेके गए थे. The body was not taken inside. Why? Because there are so many dead bodies. There is no place to bury our dead. और ये उस वक्त का टाइम है जिस वक्त you're talking about lockdown is on. The cases are 4-5 times. Absolutely, 4-5 times what it was. It's only growing. मतलब जब लॉकडाउन खुल जाएगा तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि 50 गुना ज्यादा, 50% ज्यादा नहीं, 50 गुना ज्यादा all of this will happen, and the deaths will be humongous. मतलब I can tell you, each and every one of us will lose someone or the other we knew or we know. And I think that's an extremely scary situation to be in. So yeah, I really hope that lockdown continues for as long as the government can make this happen, because ये हमारे loved ones के लिए अच्छा होगा. तो देखते हैं.
I am just keeping my fingers crossed that I don't get to hear any such news about my loved one or anyone who's watching right now कि कुछ ऐसा हुआ. So yes, I am just
absolutely focused. But the truth is truth. We'll have to live with it, and now we have to live with COVID. It just won't fly away somewhere, है ना?
Yes, I hope that we can just go back 6 months or 8 months back and everything should be normal. But
how nice.
Talking about
We can't go back. We always have to move forward.
Yes, talk about practicality we can't. But okay, moving forward, your fans are pretty much curious to know कि विकास गुप्ता की लाइफ में अभी काम के नाम पे, like projects के नाम पे, writing के नाम पे क्या चल क्या रहा है? Because they are very excited कि Ace of Space कब आएगा, कैसे आएगा, and things like that.
अरे Ace of Space चल रहा है सबका. तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आ रही कितना Ace of Space खेलोगे? Everyone is playing Ace of Space right now in their homes. मतलब लिफ्ट में स्पेस होनी चाहिए वरना हम जाएंगे नहीं, 4 लोग ज्यादा अंदर हो गए तो. सी इमेजिन एवरीथिंग इज अबाउट स्पेस टुडे और हर कोई एस ऑफ स्पेस खेल रहा है लगातार. लॉक्ड अप हो तुम लोग और फिर भी. but the thing is, in terms of projects, everyone is curious about how to do this.
Yeah.
I think a lot of people are looking at starting shooting again. You must be aware of it in June, July.
Yes.
I idly don't. I'm not very sure of that because I feel that इस वक्त जब ये लॉकडाउन खुलने की बातें हो रही हैं 1 हफ्ते 2 हफ्ते में और उसी वक्त अगर शूट होती है तो आई थिंक देयर विल बी टू मच chaos. But again, they will know better. Whoever is looking at doing, everyone has to take their own decisions and understand what's the right way of doing it. Personally, I feel that we'll have to find alternate ways of doing our things, not just in terms of daily life, also in terms of shooting. ऐसा होगा नहीं जैसे लोगों को लग रहा है कि इतनी आसान हो जाएगी शूटिंग करनी. अब चलो अरे मास्क लगा लिया, पहन लिया, मतलब रोमांस सीन से मास्क लगा करना, रोमांस सीन में मास्क लगा के एक दूसरे को देखना, वो तो होगा नहीं फिलहाल. पर उसके अलावा भी जिस तरीके से हमारे वर्कर्स और हमारे यूनिट के लोग रहते हैं और उनको आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो एक तरीके से रहने का, वो तो होगा नहीं यार. वो नहीं हो पाता इतनी आसानी से. So there's going to be a lot of difficulties in your normal way of shooting, and I really feel that with restrictions comes creativity. So I feel this is where people have to look at very innovative ways of doing things. जैसे हम लोग कितने innovative way में आप अपनी जिंदगी जीना चालू कर रहे हैं ना. बहुत limitations हैं, फिर भी हम figure out करते हैं कि हम कैसे करेंगे कैसे नहीं करेंगे. मम्मियाँ इतनी innovative खाना बनानी है बिना कुछ किए. मतलब पहले इतनी सारी चीजें आती थी, अब वो बहुत कम चीजों में कितनी इनोवेटिव चीज, कहीं सॉस डल जाती है किसी चीज के अंदर, कहीं कुछ हो जाता है. तो आई थिंक वैसे ही हमें भी अपनी लाइफ को इनोवेटिव करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज अगर नहीं करेंगे तो रुक जाएगी. Change is the only constant, and this is forcing us to change.
But will you get some innovative ideas while you are gonna now think about your Ace of Space ka complete, scripting and how it's gonna roll out for you?
Wait. I just heard something. Someone has said I have fake hair. Hi Anirudh Khandelwal. काय को रे बाबा, तेरे को फेक हेयर लग रही है. चल खुश रह तू, तेरे पास तो असली हेयर है ना. Okay, चल continue. Sorry, I really like it. See, the thing is, everyone has so much time in the world to figure out other people's lives and make decisions. I will not even show you that these are real or not real, but however it looks good for you, you should.
Because it's okay.
No, I'm just saying it's fun. It's fun to know that you really care about my hair. For the others who like me would not know that बाल इतने भालू वाले बढ़े गए हैं कि we don't have a person who can cut our hair right now. मतलब मोची नहीं मिल रहा ना, तो बहुत दूर की बात है इस समय. लेकिन मैं क्या कहूँ इस बारे में कि हर एक को इनोवेटिव वे ढूंढना पड़ेगा. So this my hairstyle has become an innovative way because it became so long. I don't want to cut it, so I decided to start putting it here. Suddenly this became a hairstyle which has become very popular with everyone, and everyone thinks कि ये इससे बेटर हेयर स्टाइल नहीं थी मेरी, मैं इसमें बहुत यंग लग रहा हूँ यार. उसके लिए और रीजन ये भी है कि वर्कआउट हो रहा है थोड़ा बहुत. अभी आजकल बंद हो गया बिकॉज पहले क्या था, माय बिल्डिंग हैड दिस पार्किंग एरिया, तो वहां जाकर आई यूज्ड टू वर्क आउट. अभी क्या हुआ कि माय बिल्डिंग गॉट सील्ड रिसेंटली बिकॉज वी फाउंड अ कोविड केस, एंड दैट्स वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई वहां नीचे जाना भी बंद हो गया अभी फिलहाल. तो बिकॉज इट्स इन एंटर द कंपाउंड, सो नाउ यू हैव टू बी मोर केयरफुल. सो या आई थिंक मेरी जॉ लाइन चली जाएगी because मैं वर्कआउट करना बंद कर दूंगा.
It won't go that easily, Vikas. It won't go. I'm sure you're very cautious about what you eat. I remember your routine while you were shooting.
No, I'm eating everything. I eat like 5 mangoes a day. Vishal sir is here. Hi Vishal sir, how are you doing? Vishal sir is one of my how do you put it? I will not say childhood memory because I'll get beaten up and he looks younger than me also. Okay. But Hip Hip Hooray has been one of my most favorite shows that I've grown up on it. And it's kind of shaped me up also. But and he's here, and he was the one who I actually went live with a couple of days back. Thank you so much for having me live, sir. Now coming back to what's work happening work-wise. Class of 2020 season 2 is about to happen, and we have found a very innovative way of being able to do what we can do. But let's see how much of it can become successful. Second is I'm working on something very exciting. इसे याद है मैंने पिछली बार कहा था सब लोगों को कि छोटी मछली मगरमच्छ खा जाएगी. छोटी मछली
Yes.
मगरमच्छ खा गई, and class of 2020 became one of the biggest hits, and I'm so happy about it because क्या है ना, when I say that content can beat anything, which
Yes.
is exactly what I learned from it. Because उससे पहले मेरा जो बड़ा hit show हुआ था वो था Punchbeat. Punchbeat में we invested a lot of money. You know, there were so many popular faces. Everything was just perfect there. And that show was approximately like in, let's put it like this. अगर मैं बोलूंगा ना कि 6 करोड़ का शो था वो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हाँ, और क्लास ऑफ 2020 60 lakhs का शो था. इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ छोटी मछली मगरमच्छ खा सकती है नहीं खा सकती वाला जोन था.
Wow.
And it did so well that right now we are on our verge of working on 2 more seasons for it. So I'm kind of working towards that. And there are 2 new projects that we are working on. Something very exciting for everyone because lockdown hai, kuch cheezein hai, and you know I'm very used to making shows and making stories that are very real today. So आपको
Yes.
वो मजा आएगा.
बट फैन एक और चीज पूछ रहे हैं कि वॉरियर हाई का क्या सीजन 2 आएगा? क्या विकास गुप्ता लाएंगे?
अच्छा, कभी नहीं आएगा क्योंकि I'll tell you why. Warrior High was one of my most favorite shows, and I wrote it as soon as I left MTV. इसलिए नहीं आएगा क्योंकि उसके जो एक्टर्स है वो अवेलेबल ही नहीं है.
Yes.
एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट वो थॉट मेरे दिमाग में आया था कुछ वक्त पहले जब फैंस ने इतनी ज्यादा उसके लिए बोला था. सो द मेन एक्टर्स ऑफ देम have all kind of evolved, changed, and are doing different things.
Yes.
So you have Anshuman. Anshuman's been busy doing a lot of other web series and great work. Ashwini Kaul has, I think उनका last यही था कि उनको केवल फिल्में करनी है, फिल्मों के अलावा कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं वो. तो he's busy with that, I think. And you had Sanaya. Sanaya is the one who's always available. She's like, I love Warrior High. I would love to do it.
Yes.
But मैं और Sanaya अकेले तो acting करेंगे नहीं उसमें. Juhi would be available, I'm sure. So is other people. But then again, one of my launches, Laksh Lalwani, is
Yes.
getting launched by Dharma now. He's going to be the next John Abraham, hopefully, and even bigger. And
Yes.
he's worked really hard. So he will not be able to do this. So how do I do the show? And Anupriya is also at this point of time, I think, tied up with something that she's doing. So I'm not too sure. But, you know, to be able to do this, हमें सबको एक साथ लाना पड़ेगा ना. Warrior High is about that. And
Yes.
without which it's very close to impossible to do the show. So we have people, I think all of them might want to do it. It's just the fact that they're not available. So जब चीजें हो नहीं पाती एक साथ तो नहीं हो पाती. वरना मैं Warrior काफी पहले बना चुका हूँ.
ओके एंड फैंस ये चाहते हैं, एक रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, वो चाहते हैं कि विकास गुप्ता किसी म्यूजिक वीडियो में आए because they want
Eh?
to see you in they've written a lot many comments on that we want Vikas
Wow.
to be a part of a music video.
I will be directing a music video for sure.
No, they want you to
But-
be a part of it, like, you know, to have a person opposite to you, like an actress opposite to you.
So who do they want me opposite?
So they have given options. They were asking me to play a kill, marry, hook up with you, and they have given me the options of Chetna, Jennifer, and Erika.
अरे बाप रे, तुम तो मरवाओगे मुझे यार.
Choice. It's a very tough choice.
Kill, marry, and hook up.
Yes.
This is really good. Wow.
A very
वो
tough
क्या है?
one.
Very tough. I can't kill Jennifer ever. Because killing Jennifer would be like, it's against humanity. She
Yes.
has to be there, no matter what happens. It's not just my love. There are so many people I know who really adore her. Pearl, देख मार दूंगा फिर तू मुझे मार देगा. तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है, हाँ? तो definitely not kill. Erika and Chetna में से should I kill? Yeah, I think we will have to go with. So let's do the other things first. Who would I want to hook up with? And who I want to get? Listen, I would love to get married to Jennifer Winget. I think she is. I can every day see her and be happy about it in life. Okay. Hook up, obviously. Erica, I think it'll be great that two 7th May bonds get to know each other better. So बची killing क्या है कि वैसे भी चेतना और मैं एक दूसरे को मारते ही रहते हैं. So we can kill each other and next life में या after life में we will still keep fighting. I think that'll be good. हाँ बच गया इस वाले
And
से.
if you had to choose one person from this three का lot to be a partner against you, opposite you for a music video, तो वो कौन होता?
Actually, me and Chetna are getting a lot of offers to do this together, okay? Because people like us together. But consciously, we have decided that we don't want to do this
Okay.
because I'm not so keen on facing camera like that. But if I really have to take up a music video also, I would do a storytelling around it. So I think उस concept पे depend करता है कि कौन shoot करेगा. I will never do a music video saying that अरे आप और चेतना, आप या जेनिफर, आप या एरिका की जोड़ी हम आपके लिए बना रहे हैं. You tell me the concept first. अब उस concept में requirement होगी जिसकी ना आप उसको लो. उसमें we'll get a really great cast and we can figure out how to do this. I'll not do the opposite way ever. I don't work like that when I would be facing this.
ओके फैंस ये भी जानना चाहते हैं कि कोई एक ऐसे एक्टर जो बहुत अंडररेटेड है, मतलब जो बाहर काफी अंडररेटेड समझे जाते हैं, लेकिन आपके अकॉर्डिंगली ही इज अ वेरी ब्रिलियंट एक्टर जिसको आप हो सकता है इन द नियर फ्यूचर इफ गिवन द राइट प्रोजेक्ट और इफ गिवन द राइट स्क्रिप्ट यू वुड वांट टू लॉन्च और हिम और हर.
ये launch or relaunch or however, I think there are a lot of actors. There's not just one actor. And I think I must have told this to a couple of people. One of the actresses, I'll tell you, who I think hasn't gotten her due at all is Yuvika. Yuvika Chaudhary is one of the most beautiful faces our country has. If you really think about this, Yuvika was first in Zee Cine Stars Ki Khoj, okay? And then after that, she's done a couple of films. The film projects might have not done well, but you see her. It's just that the projects she chose didn't really were the right ones. But abhi jab use mauka mila to do Nach, you know, she was fantabulous, yeah. And I had called her the other day and I told her the same thing. And I'm so glad you're asking me this, that she is brilliant, yeah. उसको नहीं मिला अभी तक उसका own. उसके साथ के सब लोगों को मिल गया. अंकिता, दिव्यांका, you know, Shraddha. She is the one who still remains. And I really want to see her kicking it because she is brilliant. She's brilliant, I'm telling you. So if one person who I really wish to work with or do, one of them is Yuvika for sure. And similarly, there are so many other actresses or actors who yet have not gotten their due, and they should be, because you know क्या होता है जब आप उनको देते हो ना मौका काम करने का वापस, वो क्या फाड़ते हैं. Every scene, every close, everything, it's amazing.
Okay.
अगर आप मुझे options देते तो मैं आपको बताता उसमें से easy पड़ता मेरे लिए, because just randomly picking up names that I might miss out on people who are also I must have spoken like that.
Maybe. Okay, फैंस ये जानना चाहते हैं कि बिग बॉस में उनके लिए तो चहीते कपल सिरनाज थे, लेकिन कोई एक ऐसे कपल जिसके साथ आपको लगता है कि इन द नियर फ्यूचर यू वुड वांट टू डू समथिंग, सम बेसिक प्रोजेक्ट और मे बी सम म्यूजिक वीडियो और सम वेब.
See, I'll tell you what, I love Signaz. I think everyone knows my love for Signaz is beyond the shows also. And I personally would like to tell you, I have stopped working with people I love too much. I don't do too much work with them. Because what happens is that it should not be about work. No, when you have friends, you know, it's like मेरे दो बहुत ही अच्छे बेमतलब के दोस्त कौन है? एक है पर्लवी पुरी, एक है सुरभि. दोनों के साथ मैंने कभी काम नहीं किया लाइफ में, पर they've been someone who's always been there because you know हमारी दोस्ती is about loving each other, caring about each other, being there for each other. And it's not, but it doesn't mean that we will never work with each other. We will. But it's not as if we plan anything ever. Something has to come worthwhile for us to come together to do something interesting. And that's what it's going to be all about. So for Signaz, for example, what?
ये पर्ल और सुरभि के साथ कब काम करेंगे?
मैंने कहा ना, पर्ल, सुरभि और सिद्धार्थ और for example Signaz or Karan or anyone from now, no? Like I told you, now I not focused towards that I have to want to work with this person. I am working on something. And अगर वो इंसान उसके साथ सूट करता है, that's the best thing that can happen. Yes, I sometimes also fluctuate in terms of if I really would want to work with someone, but that's at a given time. But मेरे सारे friends इतने busy हैं, you think they will wait for me? मेरे को dates मांगने में मतलब ऐसा time लग जाता है मुझे बहुत. तो मैं बहुत जैसे उनमें ego है, मेरा बहुत तेरा ego है. And I'm just seeing Mahima Makwana
Mahima
here.
Makwana.
What's up? I love Mahima. Mahima is such an amazingly pretty girl. She's so pretty and she's so talented.
Yes,
Absolutely.
Daniel, it's so good to see you here on the live chat. You just messaged.
Yeah, I don't do lives at all. I avoid lives and वो क्या होता है कि मुझे लगता है लाइव करना है तो कुछ होना तो चाहिए बोलने के लिए, बात
Yes.
करने के लिए. अब हर कोई बिगिनिंग में उसके सब कोई लाइव कर रहा था. अब हर कोई एक क्वेश्चन आंसर कर रहा था. तो आई जस्ट केप्ट थिंकिंग यार कि कैसे क्या करूं कैसे करूं. So I was avoiding lives, but अभी recently what's happened is that I've started doing more lives because मैं चाहता हूँ कि I'm able to communicate to people how serious situation we are in, what all is happening, because it's more important for us to do that. Yeah.
Okay, fans ये भी जानना चाहते हैं कि while you were growing up in school and college, what was the patent lie जो विकास गुप्ता ऐसे बोल देते थे?
यार स्कूल में तो मैं बड़ा सीधा बच्चा था. Please, I was so good that if I was bunking also, I would tell my mother, "Mom, I'm bunking today." Huh? So so you should not. She would know I'm bunking. मतलब basically that. तो मेरा कुछ नहीं था यार. मेरे को तो मतलब बहुत ही नर्डी सीधा बच्चा था. मैं कॉलेज में जा ही नहीं पाया. कॉलेज तो मेरा बालाजी था ना.
Yes.
वहीं पे
But
मैंने
then,
पढ़ाई
okay,
वढ़ाई करी अपनी जो भी
if not school and college, what is the patent lie that Vikas Gupta says quite often? एक ऐसा झूठ जो बहुत अक्सर
So
बोलते
now,
हैं.
so I'll tell you honestly. Now I don't lie at all. At all. Absolutely not. I will lie now, tell you on face. Like I told you, I will be 7 minutes late.
Yes.
I will not lie only. Because I know I don't have to. I live a life like that now. I don't wish to. So there was a time when I would lie, just for I was getting late. Or I would, for example, don't want to hurt other people's feelings. Sometimes you have to lie. Saying, "Arey, kya lag rahi hai tu?"
Yes.
Superb. No. Now I say, don't ask me. If they know I'm saying don't ask me means, boy. So I would rather not speak, and if I have to speak, I'll speak it. So वो हो गया मेरा अब तो. मैंने अपना दिमाग बना लिया. अगर मुझे पसंद नहीं करना मत करो. बट मैं तो बता दूंगा जो मुझे सच लगता है.
परफेक्ट. एंड एक अगर मैं बोलूं कि एक तकिया कलाम, एक ऐसी लाइन या एक ऐसा शब्द जो आप बहुत ज्यादा रेगुलर बोलते हैं विकास, वो कौन सा होगा?
बोलता था मैं बकैती, बाप, चुपे, एंड a lot more. पर अभी आजकल नई वोकैबुलरी सीख रहा हूँ तो होपफुली कुछ अच्छी चीजें और आएंगी. नई वोकैबुलरी मैं लोगों को सिखाऊंगा.
Okay. So now I have a very fun thing for you, Vikas. We have these invisible shot glasses, okay? And I have a fruit serum in these invisible shot glasses. So I want कि जो आपके closest industry के friends हैं, आप उनमें से किसी भी 3 को ये shot glasses दीजिए और उनसे कोई भी एक सवाल कीजिए जिनका जवाब दें या ना दें वो उनकी choice है. लेकिन you have to ask them one fun question.
Okay.
कौन होंगे और
How?
क्या
I have to call them up and speak
No,
to them.
you can call them up. I don't mind, but you have to ask them. Just tell me the names and the questions, or maybe call them.
So you will give me the questions?
No, you have to give me the questions of any 3 people, your closest 3 people from the industry, जो आप उनसे सवाल करना चाहेंगे.
Okay. Closest, not closest. I'll randomly tell. Huh?
Okay.
I would like to ask Parth, what was he doing in Hyderabad? One. Huh? Because when people will get to know, they might just understand why he was there. There could be an important reason for it
Yes.
also. हर किसी में randomly कुछ ही बनाया हुआ है, तो वो अलग बात होती है. Then I would like to ask Jennifer.
Okay.
Jennifer, we just discussed a project. Will you do it or not?
Okay. Okay. Third.
And third is, let me think. Third is, Siddharth. My question is, नहीं है, मैं वो नहीं क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है यहाँ पर, पिटूंगा मैं. ठीक है, तो I will change it to Karan Kundra.
Okay.
Karan Kundra, तुमसे सवाल ये है तुम बिग बॉस क्यों नहीं जाना चाहते? What will happen if you go to Big Boss? Yeah, I know what will happen, but you tell us what will happen. Simple. Yeah.
Perfect. I think you've given us a very good question for all three of them. But let's see वो क्या जवाब देंगे जब वो पढ़ेंगे. Okay, moving ahead. I want you to tell me because आपके आने से पहले आपके जो Lost Boy Souls थे वो बार-बार पूछ रहे थे कि क्या विकास हमारे सारे DMs देखते हैं, क्या उनको उनका क्या कहना है, what does he feel? And
Actually, I would like to tell you this. No, I don't see all the DMs because what happens is I'm thankful and a lot of gratitude. इतने ज़्यादा DMs आते हैं कि आप सारे DMs नहीं देख सकते हो और उनमें से कुछ DMs बड़े नॉटी, कुछ DMs बड़े सार्की, कुछ DMs बड़े हर्टिंग, ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकती हैं उनमें वैरायटी एडजेक्टिव्स के. तो ऐसा लगता है कि इट्स लाइक फॉर्च्यून कुकी, क्या खोलोगे तुम, उसके अंदर क्या निकलेगा. तो मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम्स आई यूजुअली नॉट रियली open DMs. Very rarely do I open DMs because I have a team. So I do tell my associates sometimes DMs khol lo because something important can come out of it. So they kind of sometimes see अगर कुछ गंदा होता है तो अपने आप delete कर देते हैं. So it's life little easier. So the thing is I don't want to take my energy towards this area at all यार. तेरी चीजें करनी है लाइफ में तो उस पर मैं फोकस करता हूँ.
Okay. And a fun thing that I want to know is because I'm sure आपका number कभी ना कभी तो विकास circulate हुआ ही होगा. You might have got some unwanted text messages and all these things, calls also. How many contacts have you kept in your block list of your calls and your WhatsApp block list? Don't give me the names, just the number.
No, not names. I'll tell you how many blocked. So in my Instagram, there are thousands who are blocked. Okay. On my फोन नंबर ही याद नहीं है इतने ब्लॉक थे हैं बिकॉज बीच में मेरा नंबर बहुत ज्यादा सर्कुलेट हुआ था एंड सडनली सो इट्स नॉट दैट आई लाइक ब्लॉकिंग पीपल. द थिंग इज पीपल बिकम extremely insensitive.
Yes.
Even if they're fans, they become insensitive because the thing is अगर आप ज्यादा तवज्जो दे दो तो उसके बाद उन लोगों को लगता है कि आप दे नहीं रहे हो. So your thing is if you're good to them, then you're not. You should be good to them throughout. You can't be good to everyone throughout because you might be in a bad mood. Yeah.
Yes.
You cannot be good all the time, and I can't be good all the time. So जब मैं अच्छा होता हूँ अच्छा होता हूँ. जब अच्छा नहीं हो तो मैं अच्छा नहीं हूँ. अरे I'm not perfect. Huh? Neither do I try to be. There was a time I wanted to be perfect. For perfection, for it. It's not real.
But then what do you have to tell to your Lost Boy souls because they have supported you, loved you and adored you. I remember आपने बताया था कि कैसे उन्होंने कितना support किया है आपको, आपकी health के लिए कितना.
They are lost. They're called lost souls. They're called lost souls. And my lost souls are there for me at times when my family is not there. And that's true. मतलब मेरे खाने पीने से लेकर, मेरे कपड़ों से लेकर, मेरी हेयर स्टाइल से लेकर वही लोग डिसाइड करते हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. कपड़े भी वही भेजते हैं, गिफ्ट्स भी वही भेजते हैं. मतलब ऐसी ऐसी चीजें करते हैं जो यू कांट बिलीव इट. मतलब अभी तो एक लॉकडाउन चल गया है तो इसकी वजह से रबड़ियां नहीं आ रही हैं अभी और जलेबी और दही नहीं आ रहे हैं और things. And also I've reduced. I've actually there was a time I had to forcefully say that if any more gifts come, I am going to send them to the orphanage.
Yes.
That was in मतलब मैंने मजाक में कहा था 1.5 साल पहले. अब जो भी मुझे गिफ्ट्स आते हैं वो एक्चुअली में मेरे there's an orphanage that I try to look after. It's called the Angel Ashram. और मैं वहीं पर चीजें भिजवाता रहता हूँ. अभी recently on my birthday, the thing was anyone who wanted to gift me anything had to basically एक लिस्ट दी गई थी जिसमें से सब लोगों ने वो चीजें ली और वो चीजें भिजवाई ऑर्फनेज में. कितना अच्छा लगा, कितना अच्छा फायदा हुआ सबका. बतलाऊं क्यों? क्योंकि ये लॉकडाउन एक्सटेंड हो गया एंड दिस ऑर्फनेज दिस आश्रम didn't have enough food. So let me tell you 100 kgs of rice, 100 kgs of atta and 50 kgs of dal reached them and they were so happy about it. So that was one of my friends who had done this. And then there's a cooler that's about to go there. There were soaps that went. Jasmine ke aam pahunche the. But it was so great that all these great things went, and that's how I like to do things now. So this is what makes me happy. It's kind of exciting for me to pull that off. So that's the reason why I have gotten an NGO done called Lost Boy Welfare Association, LBWA, and that kind of does things because I strongly believe just पैसा दे देने से आपने अपना काम के लिए नहीं होता क्योंकि पैसा कहाँ जाता है आपको पता नहीं है. So for me it's very important that I see and it happens. one of the things I'm most worried abhi is about the kids there. There's some 65 kids there.
Yes.
लॉकडाउन खुलता है तो अगर उनमें से एक भी बच्चे को अगर गलती से कोविड होता है, I will lose at least half of them forever, because the kids under the 10 are a lot of kids there, and it will be very difficult for them to sustain or to live, because they just won't. So yeah, those are scary things that we have to understand and live with.
But it was very thoughtful of you that you said that एक list दी गई थी कि अगर किसी को कुछ भेजना है तो वो list में से भेजिए, and that everything has been sent across to the orphanage. It was very thoughtful of you, Vikas. Okay, एक fan
That's
है
the
जो
fun
ये
part, because
पूछना
मेरे पास
चाहते
तो
हैं,
already खाने वाने का सामान था ना.
एक fan पूछ रहे
बोलिए.
हैं कि आपने इतने सारे characters और इतने सारे show produce करे हैं, कौन सा ऐसा character है out of all of that जो आपका favorite है?
मेरा फेवरेट है. कोई नहीं है ऐसा. फेवरेट कोई नहीं है. बिकॉज अरे इतने सारे हाउ डू यू से फेवरेट है. कुछ तो मुझे पसंद भी नहीं अब, क्योंकि व्हेन आई रोट देम एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई थॉट दैट्स द ट्रूथ. अब नहीं है वो ट्रूथ, बिकॉज एज यू ग्रो अप इन लाइफ यू रियलाइज लाइक व्हेन यू आर 17 यू थिंक लव इज दिस, देन यू रियलाइज ये तो पप्पी लव है, ये अट्रैक्शन था, फिर तुम जाते हो अरे ये मोहब्बत है, फिर ये भी मोहब्बत नहीं है. तो जो कैरेक्टर्स मैं लिखता था जिस समय, वो उस एज ग्रुप के लिए बहुत सेंसिबल होता है, बिकॉज वी ऑल रिलेट टू इट. एवरीवन हैज अ परसेप्शन ऑफ ट्रुथ, एंड कोई भी गलत होता ही नहीं. Everyone's true, everyone's correct, even if they're killing or even if they're saving themselves. It is their truth, what they're doing. So for me, there's no favorites.
Okay.
For me,
and
I
somebody
only
that
can tell you what I don't.
you want to work with.
Yeah, I really want to work with Meryl Streep. I really do. That's one of my things in life to do, is to work with Meryl Streep, and I am looking forward to work with her. Yeah.
Okay. Last thing, फैंस जानना चाहते हैं कि आई एम श्योर आपके बहुत ही अच्छे बुरे मोमेंट्स रहे होंगे उनके साथ, काफी मुलाकातें रही होंगी, बट कोई ऐसी क्रेजी फनी फैन मोमेंट रही है जो आपको आज भी याद है माइंड में?
देखो, आई एम टेलिंग यू माय लॉस्ट सोल्स, अभी मैं जैसे हंसा हूं ना, तो कुछ अपने आप ही हंसे होंगे, क्योंकि उनको मालूम है कि उन्होंने क्या क्या किया है कान मेरे साथ. आई एम टेलिंग यू, देखो क्या है ना, इवन माय fans could emotionally bully me. I used to be that person that, matlab, what all not they have done. I remember once a fan of mine who has been a really constant supporter and everything. So क्या हुआ कि वो पहले ना, I've never been the one who receives gifts in my life. I'm the one who always gives. So मुझे कभी आइडिया ही नहीं था कि क्या होना चाहिए क्या नहीं होना चाहिए. So I remember I had lost my laptop, okay, and I had tweeted saying, "Shit, I lost my new laptop." In a week's time, I got a new laptop as a gift from a fan. Now I was blown away. I was so happy, because then after point of time something more came, and then I realized I can't be taking such expensive gifts, And I said no gifts like this happening. Huh? And then I had someone who came and met me, and I met her, and it was my fan's mother, and she gave me an understanding about saying, sweetheart, when you love someone and you get them things, it makes you happy, right? I said yes. Similarly, the person who gives you gifts, they love you. Somehow you have done things in their life that makes them happy, things that ideally people around them should do, and they have not done it. So when they want to be thankful and they want to send you something, why are you saying no to it? Because then others should say no to your gifts also. And if they're sending it because they might have enough, because they want to share it, you can now never say no to it. And I think that's what I loved about her way of explaining it to me. And I said, all right. So now I very thankfully take up things from people. But वो जो मैं लेता नहीं हूँ, वो ये है जहाँ वेस्टेज होता है. अब तुम मुझे जैकेट भेजोगे, मैं रेपा मार दूंगा, बता दूंगा. बॉम्बे में कौन पहनता है जैकेट्स, बताओ जरा तुम मुझे. और हम लोग एक बार के बाद रिपीट कर पाते कपड़े कभी भी. तो मतलब इट्स स्टूपिड टू सेंड मी 10 जैकेट्स. व्हाई? व्हाट द, मैं करूंगा क्या जाए जैकेट्स का? ठंड होती है यहाँ पर, कुछ होता है, और ना मैं बच्चों को दे सकता हूँ क्योंकि वहां यहाँ ठंड नहीं बॉम्बे. तो if you want to send me stuff, if really think, please think this through. I've learned the importance of money the last 2 years. I do not like investing money in anything that will be of no use. Like for example, on my birthday, Purna is one of my fans who will go crazy on making sure my birthday पे cakes ऐसे आते हैं कि they were crazy. So I did not know how expensive those cakes were, but she would always get cakes for me, and every birthday her cakes come. So remember on the Harry Potter theme party, cake
Yes.
had come. They were amazing cakes. You know how much the cake was for? More than 50 grand. And I did not know that it was an exclusively made cake. और वो केक क्या होता है ना कि because they made it, ordered it, it was the whole Hogwarts thing done up, and I was shocked with the kind of money that, and I had really given peace of my mind at that point of time, and so that I don't agree with. That is something that you cannot be doing because you see उससे कितना कुछ और हो सकता है, and I think that all of these people understand now. So like for my this birthday, my fans did not go ahead and put money on things that were not required at all. So as a matter of fact, some of my fans also contributed in doing things for the orphanage, and I was very proud of them, happy for that. So if I need something, great, but if I'm not needing anything, then don't waste the money. Let's put where the money will be needed, and I think that's very important. Yeah.
आपने बहुत से फैंस हैं विकास जो बहुत कॉन्टिन्यूसली डाल रहे हैं कि सिद्धार्थ के साथ उनका बॉन्ड कैसा है, प्लीज उसके बारे में हमें बताइए. बहुत कॉन्स्टेंटली डाल रहे हैं कुछ.
मेरा बॉन्ड सिद्धार्थ के साथ कैसा है, या उनसे पूछो ना मेरा बॉन्ड कैसा है. मैं तो बोलता ही रहता हूँ कभी भी जब भी बोलना हो तो. मेरे को तो बहुत प्यारे लगते हैं.
नहीं, सिद्धार्थ के साथ कैसा है, शहनाज के साथ कैसा है, उन दोनों के साथ कैसा है, लाइक कॉन्टिन्यूसली
दोनों के साथ कैसा है. सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला और शहनाज गिल और शबाज और people who are around us, we've all become surprisingly, I have been in the last 3 Big Bosses. How, I do not know. I've been there. This time I was there for a much longer period, and I got connected a lot to a few people. And contrary to what people think that I don't like Asim or I hate, I don't. It's not like that at all. I actually think he worked very hard, and he totally deserves to be in the finale for Big Boss because he was there. जितना उसने दिया है बिग बॉस में उतना बहुत लोगों ने नहीं दिया था, तो वो है. बट हाँ ये है कि व्हेन इट कम्स डाउन टू चूजिंग पीपल, वो ऑटोमेटिकली टीम बन जाती है. सो फॉर माय चॉइस टू बी विद सिद्धार्थ वाज नॉट बिकॉज आई चोज सिद्धार्थ. सिद्धार्थ ऑल्सो चोज मी. इट्स बिकॉज वी अंडरस्टूड ईच अदर एज पीपल, एंड दैट्स वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई आई वाज देयर. जब मैं पहली बार गया था तो मैं सबके लिए गया था. Because I had gone there and I thought I will improve everyone's game, including Asim, including Shanaz or everyone. So whatever little I could, I did. But the second time when I went, the choice was clear. I had come there for Siddharth Shukla. I hadn't come for anyone else. So when people say, "Arey, no, he was there for Siddharth Shukla," you're true. I was his connection. And I will do everything and anything that I had to make sure that he is helped, even when he would not want me to help him. Because my job was to do that. And I do that very clearly. And now, whenever it comes down to anything, my bond with him has become very family only. Because if there is anything important, I will call. If there's anything not happening, so we have that. We are not people who hang out. We are like very differently being there for each other. वाला zone है. उस तरह का कुछ भी नहीं होना भी चाहिए. जिस तरह का zone होता है ना, we get very convoluted in work and other things, so we avoid all of that. And you will never see me posting anything with Siddharth Shukla. I don't do it.
Yes.
बिल्कुल नहीं करता मैं. शहनाज के साथ मैंने 1-2 बार चीजें पोस्ट करी हैं बिकॉज यार बड़ी क्यूट है यार वो. व्हाट टू डू. तो क्या होता है वो अपने आप ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाता है. सी द थिंग इज, मैंने अभी रिसेंटली पिक्चर डाली थी बिकॉज हमारे क्लास ऑफ 2020 में जो लड़का है जिसने हार्दिक लेके आया, he loves Shahnaz a lot. So he wanted to meet her, and that's one of the reasons why he waited such a long time, and he met her and there was picture. So he wanted those pictures, and I had decided I surprised them like this only. So on his birthday, I posted for him saying this is the picture you like so much, and I had not given it to him. So he got so happy. So that happiness, the Shahnaz gives to people, the people who love her, is beautiful. I'm extremely close to Shefali. Zariwala is one of my closest friends now. Although, now understand, people who love Shahnaz cannot love Zariwala. Zariwala people don't love. But I love. मेरी मर्जी, मेरे को जितना प्यार करना है जिसको उतना करूंगा. But that doesn't mean that you will love anyone less or more. Ideally, I just feel that the kind of bonding that I share with Shefali Bagga or Shefali Zariwala or anyone is very different, because I have a very clear-cut understanding of I don't want anything from anyone anymore. If I like someone, I will like. If I love someone, I will love. I'm not asking them to love me back or like me back. It's fine. मुझे खुशी मिलती है जो करने में मैं वो करता हूँ. तो मेरा थोड़ा लाइफ का एक्सपेक्टेशंस लेवल जो है बड़ा डिफरेंट हो गया, तो मुझे बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. लाइफ बड़ी कूल हो गई.
It is a very good thought that you have just shared with me. Like a lot many thoughts हमारी लाइफ में आपने कहा शेयर करें. एक तो आपका बर्थडे का थॉट, एक ये कि like you know जो मुझे करना है वो मैं करूंगा. Like for me, I am taking back home a lot many bunch of things from this particular life for sure.
But you know, I'll explain this last wala for you once. You know what we do is we like to do good to other people, and then we expect they should do good to us. The reason why we do good to them is what? हम क्यों करते हैं किसी के साथ अच्छा? क्योंकि हमें अच्छा लग रहा होता है करना. बड़ा सेल्फिश चीज होती है किसी की हेल्प करना, बाय द वे. So we feel good. But what do? हमें दिखाना है क्या हमने तेरे लिए किया. भैया उसने क्या मतलब क्या क्यों किया तुमने? नहीं करते. वो हम इसलिए करते हो कि हमें अच्छा लगता है. तो उस हैप्पीनेस को ज्यादा तवज्जो दो जो तुम्हें मिल रही है करने में, तो दूसरे से कुछ चाहिए ही नहीं होगा. बहुत अच्छा होता है वो. Think about this. You know, it took me time to understand this. A lot of times I have helped a lot of people in life, and you know they have been friends with me, close to me, and then later on they become idiots or they become very, very off. And I used to feel very bad. Now I don't, because क्या है, मुझे जो अच्छा लगा था वो मेरा वक्त अच्छा गया, मैंने अच्छे से हेल्प किया किसी का या प्यार किया किसी का. अब वो करे ना करे उसकी मर्जी, क्योंकि उसकी चॉइस है ना वो. तो मैं तो अपनी चॉइस कर रहा हूँ ना. द गुड पार्ट इज यू कैन एक्सरसाइज योर चॉइस. Imagine if you love someone, you want to help someone and you can't help. How bad is that? So I think very important, जब मौका मिले और मन करे तो कर दो, सोचो मत.
Because any parting message और fans को देना चाहेंगे, because आपने उनसे बहुत कुछ शेयर किया है बहुत ही subtle तरीके से.
So बहुत ही unsubtle तरीके से, बहुत ही clear तरीके से, I would like to tell you all, and this is very important that what I'm going to be saying right now. Our country, our entire earth is going through the worst phase of our lifetime.
Yeah.
ये वक्त कभी भी नहीं आएगा जो अभी है, और I hope आए भी ना. जितना भी सीरियसली आपने आज तक लाइफ में किसी भी चीज को लिया है, उससे ज्यादा सीरियसली लेना इस लॉकडाउन को और लॉकडाउन के बाद खत्म होने वाले वक्त को. जो होगा वो हमने सोचा नहीं होगा. जो हम लूज करेंगे वो हम कभी पा नहीं पाएंगे वापस. तो जो आप बचा सकते हो वो बचाना, because later on when you will regret that you lost someone you loved, or you lost opportunities, or you lost things, we will have no one else to blame. We will have only ourselves to blame. It is very important that you save your loved ones. I keep using this hashtag called hashtag saved your loved ones, because just as soon as the lockdown opens, everyone goes crazy. Lock your parents, lock them, lock your young family members, kids, lock them up, quarantine them for as long as you can, and help them live their life, because if you don't, there's a full chance that you might lose them. And it's as blunt as that. Yes, that's it.
Thank you so much, because it was a pleasure having you, and thank you patiently answer करने के लिए सारे questions जो fans ने दिए थे. I hope that I'll
Thank you very much for joining us. Huh?
I'm saying I hope कि जल्दी से lockdown खत्म होगा, थोड़े टाइम के बाद कुछ नया प्रोजेक्ट आएगा, and I'll get to meet you again. So I'm hoping that thing.
अभी तो कुछ वक्त तक हम ऐसे ऑनलाइन ही मिलेंगे, because I don't think कुछ और होने वाला है उसके अलावा. और as for everyone else, जलो और जलो, कोई ऐप नहीं है, बस जलो, क्योंकि तुम चल ही सकते हो, कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
Pleasure talking to you.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Take care, guys.
Well, guys, that was Vikas Gupta for you. Well, we talked a lot. I think कुछ ज़्यादा ही बात कर लिया. But yes, Shanaz, Siddharth, उनके current shows, आने वाले projects, Warrior High, बहुत shows के बारे में बात किया है. So yes, thank you so much for joining us. And it was fun chatting with you all. And this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off. And this live will be there on our IGTV, and later on you can watch it on our YouTube channel also. Thank you so much.